Welcome to Coca Tech. Get ready for some crazy stunts, heart-stopping moments that excavator operators face every single day. No more waiting, let's dive right in. Every turn, every bucket lift could mean the difference between success and disaster. Drop a 1 in the comments. Your energy fuels these epic moments. Tension is at its peak. 3 massive derrick barges move in perfect sync, carefully salvaging over 150 collapsed containers from the bustling waters of Hong Kong. Every move must be executed with absolute precision. One small mistake, and the entire operation could turn into disaster. Flawless calculation is a must. The Komatsu PC2000 front shovel is an absolute beast. Packing over 1,000 horsepower in a 12 mm 3 bucket, this machine scoops up dirt like it's just a pile of feathers. The Kon 200-ton KN digging force? That's pure muscle, making it a powerhouse in mining and heavy-duty excavation. But let's be real, this thing is so massive that parking it must be a nightmare. And imagine the fuel bill. Yikes. Still, with its insane durability and efficiency, it's no surprise why it's a favorite for serious heavy-duty work. Komatsu really knows how to build a digging monster. The Iron Beast D11R is doing the impossible. It roars, rolls, and climbs near vertical slopes as if defying gravity itself. The engine screams, dust flies. This is not just a job. It's a battle between man, machine, and nature. Wow, it's truly impressive to see the Volvo EC240CL and Volvo EW160B demolishing an old house in central Linköping. This isn't just demolition, it's the perfect blend of power and precision, paving the way for modern constructions. The EC240CL showcases its brute strength in handling tough materials, while the EW160B is expertly designed to clear space efficiently. A true demolition power duo, and who knows, maybe that old house, or even a water treatment plant, will disappear in a similar fashion in the future. A breathtaking display of engineering mastery, both dangerous and artistic, something any construction enthusiast would admire. Oh my, this is breathtakingly intense. The truck tilts back as if straining under the weight, while all eyes lock onto the excavator, slowly, carefully, inch by inch, making its way to solid ground. Watching this, it almost feels like the truck is holding its breath, just waiting for that sweet moment of relief. Dangerous, thrilling, yet unbelievably smooth. And in the end, of course, a flawlessly executed success.
Only leave the thing out. Down.
Want to become a true machine operator? You need years of experience. I've pulled off plenty of epic moves with the beastly Cat 345 GC, but I have to say, this machine is a masterpiece. With its powerful Cat C9.3B engine, 258 kilojoules of power, and an operating weight of 42,200 kilos, it's not just up to 25% more fuel efficient, but also incredibly durable and reliable. Small but mighty, compact yet extremely powerful. Sometimes it's not about being the biggest. It's about using the right power at the right moment. What started as a simple signboard lift quickly turned into a full-blown disaster. No planning, no calculations, and completely forgetting about the wind. The result? Well, we all saw it coming. With just a little preparation, some training, and a few basic calculations, this could have gone a whole lot differently. But nope, now we've got a hard-learned lesson served the painful way.
كارثة 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 دي والله كارثة دي يا مجدي والله علينا يا مجدي
The Iron Beast, Volvo E700C, 70 tons heavy, over 12 meters long, is hitting the road, but not on a job site, it's rolling onto a 4-axle Goldhofer trailer. Watch the Fasula's heavy transports team, true masters of heavy hauling. They're not just loading cargo, they're orchestrating a mechanical ballet through tight city streets. The 80-kilometer journey begins, navigating low bridges by lowering the trailer and squeezing through narrow town roads with pinpoint precision. Every move is as precise as the second hand on a Swiss watch. After 8 intense hours, the beast arrives safely, ready for its next mission. This is not a trip for the faint of heart. The Liebherr R944 is truly a demolition beast. With a 258 horsepower engine, over 43 tons of weight, and impressive reach, it only takes a light swipe to send half a building crashing down. It hits right on target, but those old Soviet-era walls, built like a fortress. Smashing them is a real challenge, rock solid and stubborn. They built things tough back in the day, and now it takes serious power to bring them down. Massive respect to the excavator operator. This guy is a true master of control, pushing the Liebherr R944 to its absolute limits while maintaining unbelievable precision with every move. This is the true definition of teamwork. The big excavator isn't just digging, it's turning the construction site into a full-blown circus act. Lifting a mini excavator from the ground to the second floor, pure precision and nerves of steel.
Dah, korek. Ini angkat. Oh, keliwatan.
Welcome to the grand unveiling of a 120-ton mechanical beast, the Liugong 9135F. Look at that, each massive piece coming together like a giant puzzle. But here, every piece weighs tons. The engine roars to life, the 8 and the 3 bucket rises, and then, the moment of truth, bam, the Liugong logo is placed. At that moment, we knew this monster was ready to tear through job sites. Assembly isn't child's play, but this crew made it an art. Smooth, precise, flawless. And now this Red Warrior is charging into the European market with a statement. Step aside, the big boss has arrived. Wow, this is the peak of logging mastery. Franklin Boggs and his team in Mayoko, Congo are turning tree felling into a true art form. Look at his execution. Precise, fast, no room for mistakes. This isn't just about strength, it's top-level skill. And those guys hauling sand who think they're pros, watch and learn. This is what real logging expertise looks like. Incredible, absolutely top tier. Wishing all loggers steady hands and strong spirits. Here it is, the Komatsu D475A8, an absolute beast on the battlefield. This monster packs 890 horsepower, weighs over 115 tons, and can devour an entire hill in just a few pushes. Watch it glide over rock and dirt like it's skiing in the Alps. Smooth, powerful, and unstoppable. That automatic torque converter lockup, genius. The track slip control system, precise like an F1 racer. It doesn't just level the ground, it dominates it. And just look at it in action at the oil shale quarry in Estonia. Tough environment, no problem. Harsh terrain, D475A8 eats it for breakfast. If you think you've had a hard day at work, imagine operating this beast. These operators are the real steel warriors. This is the true definition of teamwork and problem solving. Every tense moment unfolds piece by piece. You won't want to blink. Every decision, every move can change the game. If you love content like this, drop a 1 in the comments. Your energy fuels the creation of these thrilling moments.
Terus. Hampir kekorek gatnya.
Wow, this is an absolute beast of an excavator. 270 tons, a 42-meter reach. This isn't just an excavator, it's a giant's arm, trimming the batter slopes, placing armor rock. No job is too big. Heron Construction has taken engineering to the next level. In real steel, building steel as tough as their spirit. A perfect blend of power and precision. If you love heavy machinery like this, hit that like button now. Have you ever wondered how a tractor gets delivered to a job site? Welcome to Revna Village, Morrisville District, where moving heavy machinery is not for the faint of heart. Look at this, a masterclass in skill, precision, and efficiency. Every move is calculated down to the centimeter, with no room for mistakes. Careful, slow, and boom! The tractor lands safely ready to roll. A flawless execution and a performance that deserves a round of applause. Oh wow, look at this beast lifting that truck like it's a toy. A fully loaded dump truck tipped over in the snow? No problem. One smooth move from this excavator and it's back on its wheels like nothing happened. Besides digging, it looks like its side job is rescuing trucks. Let's hope it doesn't have to do this too often. But seriously, this kind of power and versatility is just insane.
Все, сейчас надо зацеплять, на жопу вытаскивать сюда.